In the era of new energy vehicles, more speakers don't mean better sound quality, quantity without layering or texture. Nakamichi introduces the NDSE600A, an 8-input, 10-output Class AB professional DSP amplifier. Let speakers find their details back. Let you feel the warmth of sound. Class D amplifiers may offer impressive resolution, but often sound dry and rigid. But the NDSE600A, as a representative of Class AB DSP amplifiers, gives sound a human warmth. Vocals are rich, full, and delicately nuanced. The NDSE600A features a power matrix design, with 4x50 watts, plus 4x200 watts, rated output, leaving plenty of headroom for high-performance speakers rated above 50 watts. It also supports 1x300 watts bridged output, the confidence to drive high-power mid-bass drivers, instantly activating the dynamic response of large voice coils. Great sound starts with a careful selection of every single core component. At the core, the Toshiba TC-B503. The reason why the sound feels so naturally warm. The AKM7735 professional audio processor delivers audiophile-grade resolution, bringing out every delicate musical detail. JRC4580 inside. A classic for a reason. From input to output. Ultra-low distortion. Pure high fidelity. No compromise. It effortlessly handles everything from factory high-level input to lossless optical digital signal. Supports Bluetooth 5.3 with optional aptX Bluetooth module and external DSD controller, making high-end audio input simpler than ever. 31-band EQ and precise time alignment, paired with PC and mobile software, easily create a theater-grade listening experience. The body features a delicate aluminum brushed finish, showcasing industrial craftsmanship and heritage. The NDSE600A is more than just a DSP amplifier. It's your music companion on the road.